Well, welcome, Kharma Bodies fans. This is another series of the Tele Deluxe, the 70s vintage Tele Deluxe video. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so just getting started here. This is the Telecaster Deluxe. It does have a Fender Stratocaster neck, as you can see, and it's about the same year as this deluxe. There's a backstory as to why that is the way it's set up. But what I'm going to show here now is just me just going over it and taking it apart, cleaning it up, and putting it back together. And eventually, I'll be setting it up properly. I've got some plans for this old Strat, this old Tele Strat. I believe it's a 1974 to 76, what they call the Mocha Tele Deluxe. And I'm not going to bore you with a lot of things. So I'm not even going to have a voiceover over the whole thing, and I'm going to be fast forwarding it. So enjoy, and I've got a few more videos in the works that I'll be putting up, coming up in the next few days. So if you'd like to see the complete setup of this vintage Tele Deluxe from the 70s, subscribe. And if you have anything in particular you have questions about, uh, feel free to post something in the comments. Thanks for watching. And let's see if this can work. Hey, Kharma Bodies fans. If you've been watching up to this point, you must have found something interesting here. Uh, Subscribe to get the next in this series as I put this deluxe telly together, and like or comment if you have any questions or you have any comments about how I'm doing things. You probably have better ideas on how to do things than I do. So appreciate you checking in and look for you later. Take care.